Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Toastmaster is probably one of the most essential appliances in any modern kitchen, offering a quick and convenient way to prepare breakfast staples and elevate snacks. Whether you're toasting bread to golden perfection, warming bagels, or even defrosting frozen pastries, a good toaster can significantly impact your morning routine and culinary creations. This review dives deep into what makes a toaster stand out, exploring features that enhance user experience and deliver consistent results, ensuring your next slice is always perfectly browned and delicious. Number 5. Keenstone Retro 2-Slice Toaster. Meet your new favorite kitchen companion. This toaster offers versatile functions like bagel, defrost, and cancel, giving you complete control over your toast. Don't let its compact size fool you. With extra-wide slots, it perfectly toasts everything from thick bagels to Texas-style toast. Satisfy every family member's preference with 6 browning settings. Enjoy delicious toast exactly how you like it, every morning. This retro-inspired toaster not only looks great but also simplifies your life. Enjoy easy operation, effortless cleaning with the removable crumb tray, and tidy cord storage. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it's built for durability and safety. Enjoy peace of mind with its cool touch housing and reliable performance. What we like. If you love a classic kitchen aesthetic and need versatility, this is the one for you. Its wide slots accommodate thick bagels and artisan breads, while the 6 browning levels ensure everyone gets their toast just right. It's perfect for families with diverse preferences. What people say. The Toastmaster 10-liter oven is a great addition to my kitchen. It's compact and fits perfectly on my countertop. The temperature control is accurate, and it heats up quickly. I love the versatility of this oven. I can bake, broil, and toast with it. The included baking pan and rack are also very useful. I've been using my Toastmaster oven for a few weeks now, and I'm impressed with its performance. It bakes evenly, and the toast function is excellent. The interior light is a nice touch, making it easy to monitor food. The design is sleek and modern, and it's easy to clean. This Toastmaster oven is a workhorse. It gets hot fast and cooks food thoroughly. I've used it for everything from reheating leftovers to baking cookies, and it has performed exceptionally well. The timer function is reliable, and the auto shut-off feature provides peace of mind. Number 4. Aigostar Compact Electric Grill. Introducing the Aigostar Compact Electric Grill, designed for simple and satisfying meals. It heats ingredients, melts cheese, and creates a perfect crispy crust with just one press. Forget the frying pan. Make delicious hot sandwiches in 5 minutes or less. Ready-to-cook lights let you know when it's hot and ready for your ingredients. Enjoy effortless food release and easy cleaning thanks to its non-stick plates. No oil or butter is needed, making your meals healthier. Its compact design allows for upright storage, making it perfect for dorm rooms, RVs, and any kitchen size. The cool touch handle ensures safe use and portability. With a powerful 750-watt motor and automatic thermostat, it's great for grilling eggs, steaks, and even chicken breasts. It's also perfect for paninis, focaccia, and more. Beyond sandwiches, it can toast English muffins, bagels, and quesadillas. Just choose the right size bread for your creations. What we like. For those who want a hot, delicious sandwich in minutes, this appliance is a game-changer. It heats up fast and cooks evenly, making it ideal for busy mornings or quick lunches. If you enjoy customized hot sandwiches without the fuss of a pan, this is your go-to. What people say. The Toastmaster 1.7 cubic feet microwave oven features a digital display with clock and timer, 10 power levels, 6 one-touch cooking programs, and a turntable for even cooking. It has a child safety lock, a removable rack, and a sleek stainless steel design that complements any kitchen decor. The microwave also includes a defrost function by weight or time, making it easy to prepare frozen foods. Number 3. Chefman Electric Griddle 10 by 16 inch. Enjoy ample cooking space on this indoor grill, designed to fit perfectly even in smaller kitchens. From warming foods to searing meats, the adjustable temperature control offers versatile cooking options for any meal. Cook healthier dishes with the integrated drip tray that collects excess oil and grease. Its non-stick surface also minimizes the need for added cooking oils. Cleaning is a breeze as the cooktop is fully immersible and dishwasher safe. Just detach the temperature control before washing. Quickly expand your kitchen's cooking capacity for family dinners or holiday gatherings with this convenient countertop appliance. This product is UL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, and comes with a 1-year assurance. What we like. If you need a versatile cooking surface for a variety of meals, from breakfast to dinner, this griddle is an excellent choice. Its large size is great for feeding a crowd, and the easy cleanup makes it a practical option for everyday use. Consider this if you enjoy cooking multiple items at once with minimal mess. What people say. The Toastmaster 1.7 cubic feet microwave oven has a sleek stainless steel exterior and interior, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. With 1000 watts of cooking power, this microwave can heat and cook food quickly and efficiently. It features 10 power levels and 6 one-touch cooking programs for added convenience. Number 2. Toastmaster Rotating Waffle Maker. Enjoy the best waffles right at home. Its innovative rotating design ensures perfectly golden and crispy results every time. Each delicious waffle measures 6 to 3/4 inches in diameter and 3/4 inch thick. The non-stick cooking plates make cleanup a breeze. This appliance features a secure latching handle and convenient power lights. Non-skid suction feet keep it stable, and a base catches any overflow. For over a century, Toastmaster has been crafting dependable kitchen essentials. You can count on quality that's built to last. This 120V, 850-watt appliance is designed for household use. It features a polarized plug for safety. What we like. For the ultimate waffle lover, this rotating maker ensures perfectly golden and crispy waffles every time. The non-stick plates make cleanup a breeze. If you're looking to elevate your breakfast game with cafe-quality waffles at home, this is the appliance you need. What people say. The Toastmaster 1.7 cubic feet microwave oven has a sleek, modern design that looks great in any kitchen. It features a powerful 1000-watt cooking system, ensuring your food is heated evenly and quickly. The digital display is easy to read and navigate, with pre-programmed settings for common foods like popcorn and baked potatoes. Number 1. Toastmaster Immersion Hand Blender Mixer Black. Experience fast and efficient blending and mixing with its powerful 300-watt motor. It handles all your tasks with ease. Crafted with durable stainless steel blades and housing, this appliance is designed for long-lasting performance. You can rely on its sturdy construction. This versatile tool is perfect for blending, mixing, chopping, and pureeing. It's your go-to for a variety of culinary preparations. Cleaning up is a breeze as it is dishwasher safe. Enjoy quick and simple maintenance after use. Its compact size means it takes up minimal counter space. This makes it a convenient addition to any kitchen. What we like. If you need a compact yet powerful tool for various kitchen tasks like blending, chopping, and pureeing, this immersion blender is ideal. Its small footprint saves counter space, and the durable construction means it's built to last. It's perfect for small kitchens or for those who value efficiency and ease of use. What people say. The Toastmaster 1000 W2 Slice Toaster is a compact and stylish addition to any kitchen counter. It features wide slots that can accommodate thicker slices of bread, bagels, and pastries. The toaster offers multiple browning settings, allowing you to achieve your desired level of toastiness from light to dark. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.